Hey guys, well, I'm back from the Florida Keys. Just got back tonight actually, and Michigan sucks, just so you know. Yeah, it was not fun leaving 80 degrees and coming back to 2 inches of snow in the driveway in the middle of another snowstorm. That was fun. And I could barely get the fifth wheel backed up the driveway because it was slippery and icy. And anyway, we just finished gutting all of our crap out of the trailer. And what I wanted to show you though is something that I ordered. It's one of my many Christmas gifts to myself while we were gone, and it was waiting for me when we got back. And pretty excited about this. So let's do a little unboxing. So here we go. You can see. What does it look like? Some batteries in here. Let's try to do the old one-handed. Let's do that though. Let's get us back a little bit. This is where I finally joined the ranks of real mechanics, guys. Oh, I didn't get that one cut very well. That's actually good tape. But this is not an Amazon product. This is high quality stuff. Oh man, look at that. That is freaking Christmas right there. So as you can see, I joined the Milwaukee ranks finally. So I opted for, because I do a lot of work both here at home as well as at the shop for work, I opted for the part number with the carrying case. Man, look at that bad boy. Oh, that is just freaking classy. So we got some, basically the kit comes with so that's the 3/4 drive Milwaukee Fuel, the 18 volt. Comes with 2 5-amp-hour batteries, as well as a charger, all in one convenient little carry case. So I'm curious to see what this bad boy is going to do. But for now, I'm going to get this plugged in, get those 2 batteries charging, and tomorrow we'll come back and we'll see what we can do with some, I'm thinking maybe some lug nuts that have been tightened down for, at least 10 years sitting in a field. So, man, I am pumped about this, guys. All right, so I'll squeeze around the my train set here. This is just the easiest to get to. So we've got batteries all charged. I didn't read the directions yet. I did associate this, get the One Key app and associate this with it, so we'll play with it. But I'm assuming 4 is the highest torque. We'll find out if I'm wrong. We've got it on what would normally be Titan, because we're on the driver's side of this Stud Pilot truck. Let's see what happens. Look at that. Just took it right off. I honestly don't think, I would not think that these wheels have been, or these nuts have been off. I mean, the previous owner last had this registered it was last used for work in 2002. He died in 2002. I still have the title in his name. The guy that I bought it from, basically, he drove it here and there, never registered it, never plated it. I highly doubt he ever pulled these wheels. He didn't do anything to it, but let it rust, basically. So I'm gonna go, it is December 29th, 2021 right now. I'm gonna say no less than 20 years these have been on and sitting in a field unmaintained, and that bad boy cordless. just cranked it off. Let's do one more just to see if it was a fluke. I have to say I'm impressed. That was exactly what I had hoped would happen. I'm not going to touch those because they are hot as hell right now, but I think this thing's worth its weight in gold. This is what we needed.